Malapit na kaming matapos ng aming mock trap. Pero sa side trip muna kami sa Mud Spring. Okay, dito yung daan. Tara. Okay, we're here at Mud Spring. Welcome to Mud Spring. So, ayan. Dati maliit lang yan, ngayon malaki. Nakalagay dito, warning, do not cross the fence. Pero just to give you a glimpse of the hot sulfur or the hot mud. Ayan. Okay. Actually medyo delikado itong ginagawa ko, pero for the sake of capturing this magnificent mud spring here in Mount Makiling. Ayan. So, okay ba? Ayan. So, if you're going to visit Mount Makiling, isa ito sa mga pinaka magandang destination dito.
Yung panluto ng itlog.